Okay, in today's video, we're checking out Duotrac. It's made by the same people who make the Gen I1 and the Gen I2 golf ball, and this tracks my body and my club motion. Let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get those sensors charging up, all right? It's easy, just plug them in USB. And then you want to download the app. So go to your phone or your iPad, it works on everything. Open up the app search for Duotrac app. Okay, so download the app and you should be good to go. Then you just gotta log into the app and do your stuff. We're gonna just go to practice. So it's pretty cool. Once these are charged up, you like shake them just to activate them. They'll blink, and you'll want to connect them to the app. Boom. So we're all connected. It's that simple. Done. Okay, now we can start swinging. So there's 3 of these, all right? One marked B, that goes on your back, right in the center of your back. And then, and this one goes on your left hip. If you're right-handed. If you're left-handed, it goes on the other hip. And then pick a club. Whatever. I'm gonna use a 5-iron to start out with. And this thing just screws right in. And just line it up good, this little charger piece goes on the outside. All right, and I think we're ready to go. The app says swing, we're gonna swing. So in my swing, what it does is it tells me where my club face is throughout my swing. I was square at setup. I was closed at the top. Okay. I was closed coming down. And I was open at impact. So I got some issues to work on there, right? You know, it'll give me kind of tips and drills how to fix it, which is pretty cool. There's some videos you can watch. And then you can check out your hip sway. Now this is what I think is really important. So you just click on that, and it tells me at address I was square. Boom, at the top, my hips were closed. Or my club face was closed, and my hip sway was pretty good. Thumbs up for hip. Then coming down, my hips are rotating, it gives me a nice thumbs up for that. And an impact, thumbs up. Thumbs up all the way around for my hips. So you can go into fixes and drills here, which is pretty interesting. If you go into the fixes and drills section, you could check out, they have a lot of tips and drills. A video will pop up with somebody giving you some tips and drills. Not me. So I will show it to you. Okay, so let's check it out with a driver and see what happens. So we just take this off. I'm gonna go to this here, let it know we're hitting a driver now, and I have a stiff flat. Okay, now we're ready to swing. What's cool, see, I know the face angle sensor is working really well because, you know, it tells me I'm square at my setup, and then kind of gives me information of what's going on throughout the swing, and I'm a bit open at impact. I could tell because, you know, the ball is going a little bit on the right of the net. So, pretty cool. Okay, what I like right now is that the swing speed seems a lot more accurate. It seems like the more I use it, the more accurate it gets, which is pretty cool. I like that. I don't think I was swinging 129 miles an hour earlier, but now about 104 is kind of where I'm at. So here's how I would utilize this for real is, like I know my shot shape. So when I'm hitting good shots, like if you're at the range, this would be good information to have. And then keep records of what produces a good shot for you. If you're hitting with an open club face and you're having good shots, just keep track of what equals a good shot for you. And then when you're at home practicing in your net, you could try to match those numbers. And if you're off, then you would know that. Your hips are swaying, the club's too open, it's too shut. Things like that will really help you. So if your face is open, but you hit a nice perfect shot that you like, than try to match that open club face. With my driver, I play a little push, straight, a touch draw. And so if my club face is open when I strike the ball, I'm fine with that because I know I'm coming a little from the inside, so it's a little push. I'm not cutting across the ball. I don't play a real cut shot. So I know that that's pretty good for me. And then, hey, if I'm shut at the top, that's fine, right? Dustin Johnson, a lot of guys have a shut club face, so I'm cool with that. But if it starts getting open all of a sudden, I would know and I would say, that's not me. It might give me a thumbs up, but I know it's not right for me. So I would make those adjustments. You know, it does the thumbs up, thumbs down thing, but that doesn't really matter to me. What matters to me is hitting my shot, swinging my swing. But I want to have consistency with my good shots. Those numbers will help you get there. All right, there you go. Just a quick little review of Duotrac by Coach Labs. They make the Gen I1s, Gen I2 golf balls coming out really soon. So I'll leave a link for this below if you're interested, all right? I like it. I actually will be using this. I've used it before, so I was checking it out for a while and then, you know, gave it kind of a good go through before I did any type of review on it because I want to make sure, like, you know, it performs. Because if, you know, it's going to be a total failure, you know, I want to know that going in. But it really actually does pretty well, and so I dig it. And I think it could help your game in getting your numbers consistent. That's the key in golf, right? Consistency. So I don't know. If you're interested, check it out. It's a cool product. And thanks for watching. Please hit the like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We're just here to help. We're just here to help the game. Help your game. All right? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Solid. It's good for the short game.